The sun was shining brightly over Central Park, New York City, as Spider-Man swung gracefully between the skyscrapers. Suddenly, his spider sense tingled, and he noticed something strange. The park's vibrant greenery was wilting, flowers drooped, trees withered, and the air seemed heavy with a sinister energy. Intrigued and concerned, Spider-Man swung down into the heart of the park. In the middle of the ruined garden, Spider-Man saw a group of teenagers frantically trying to summon something. They were the Planeteers, each wearing a unique ring. The ground beneath them cracked open, revealing an ancient, decaying coffin. The air shimmered with elemental energy as the Planeteers summoned Captain Planet. "Spider-Man!" shouted Wheeler, the Fire Planeteer. "We need your help. Mumm-Ra has risen and is destroying the Earth's plants." Spider-Man nodded. "Count me in, let's save our planet." The battle began as Mumm-Ra emerged from the coffin, cloaked in dark magic. He laughed maniacally, spreading decay with every step. Spider-Man's agility and web-slinging combined with Captain Planet's control over the elements created a formidable team. They fought Mumm-Ra's minions, deflecting dark energy and protecting the remaining patches of green. The fight led them to an underground tomb beneath Central Park, filled with ancient artifacts and glowing runes. Mumm-Ra channeled his power, attempting to summon even more destructive forces. Spider-Man and Captain Planet, using a combination of strategy and elemental power, managed to seal Mumm-Ra back into his coffin. The dark energy dissipated, and the tomb was once again silent. Central Park began to bloom again. Flowers sprouted, trees regained their lush leaves, and the air was filled with the songs of birds. Spider-Man and Captain Planet stood amidst the restored beauty.